My name is Prerna Shri. I'm from Ranchi, Jharkhand. I have done my MBBS from China. My college name is Norman Bethune Health Science Center. My university name is Jilin University. At present, I am doing a diploma in food nutrition and dietetics. It's an online course. My academy name is Optimum Wellness Academy. I have learned a lot of things in this academy, like how to lose weight, how to gain weight, about vegan diet, about PCOS, diabetes, thyroid, sports diet, then about diabetes. There are so many diets. If you follow them with discipline, you can cure those disease. So that I have learned in this academy. Plus, they give you so many knowledge that if you you can also join and you can also do some research in it. So I'm very thankful that I have joined this academy. Like if you want to know about the faculty, about Optimum Wellness Academy, they are very nice. They will patiently teach you everything. They will clear your doubts and you can just text them. They will reply. They will give you extra time and many things. You can learn very many things with them. During classes, they were very supportive. There was no language barrier. They are very, as I said, they are very kind and patient. They will teach you everything nicely. The course which I enrolled in Optimum Wellness Academy is Diploma in Food, Nutrition and Dietetics. And now I have enrolled for sports, fitness and exercise. While doing the course, my favorite topic was PCOS, thyroid, diabetes, because these are very common disease. So if you know about disease, you can help a lot of people. And all the topics were good, about vegan diet, about weight loss, about weight gain, keto diet, then sports diet, then that gym diet, that was also very nice. All the topics was my favorite and I enjoyed doing all the topics. I used to give tests, I used to get full marks. That was very nice. As I was doing the course, we had this WhatsApp support. It was very helpful, because like I gave my exam before, as I was pregnant. I was about to deliver my baby. So I used to message the faculty anytime. I used to clear my doubts at that point and they used to reply on point. That was very helpful. It's a good feature. The advantage of online courses is that classes are recorded, so you can see it anytime and you can just relax and have a pause between, like if there is a 3 hours recording, so you can do it in half hour, 1 hour, then you can have a pause. That way you will give more attention to the course. So in that way, if you go for a short topic, you can give it more time and you can just make your doubts. If you have, you can answer them, then you can go forward. So I personally feel online is a good option. During my course, throughout my course, I was pregnant and it was a very nice experience. As the course was online, I used to pause it, I used to do my work, and even when I used to get symptoms of pregnancy like nausea, headache, vomiting, I used to pause the course, then I used to start again. And after every class we used to get MCQs, and then if we have doubt we can just message in WhatsApp to the faculty. They used to reply. It is a very positive point that the course was online. Because of that only I could finish my course. If it was offline, I could not do my course. So it was a very good experience. I have a social media account in Instagram. Now I can use that, help people, and I have a lot of food chart in that, which I have learned during the course. Those are very nice. Those are very helpful. This is a very interesting topic, and I have done this course totally for my personal well-being as I was pregnant. But when I'm going to practice, and I can use all this knowledge for my patients. So I feel I have done this course. That was a very good decision. As a doctor, like if I'm going to practice, definitely I'll want my patients to be healthy. So if I could help them with diet, that's very nice. That will make their life easy. So I've learned a lot of things now, and I also have a certificate. So I think I have a lot of knowledge. Like if a patient approach to me for any disease, I can help them with a good food chart, a lot of directions, how to follow the food chart, and how to gain health. These days, everyone is going to eat junk food. Many people don't know how to cook, so definitely they are eating outside. So it's very common to have diseases like diabetes, PCOS, thyroid. It's very common. So if you have knowledge about all this, it's good for your personal life, like what to eat. You can go for fruits. You can go for simple foods, like you can make omelette, chapati, and eat. So if you have knowledge, it will be very nice for you, because taking care of yourself is very good. So I'll suggest, if you do the course, you will have detailed knowledge about everything, and that will make your life easy. Food is not a kind of medicine. It is medicine, because like we take a medicine, some small proportion will be there. That same thing will be in your food. So if if I'm gonna drink a glass of milk every day, I'll get calcium. So it is a kind of medicine. So if you have knowledge about that, that is very good, because if you don't eat healthy food, definitely you're gonna get some disease. If you get disease, that will make your life slow. That is not good. So it's very nice to have a knowledge about food, which food is good for you, which food is bad for you, which food you can avoid, which you can eat more. Because even when it comes to food, you need to have a balanced diet. Just because you like something, you cannot just eat it more. So after doing this course, I got more knowledge about and more detailed knowledge about food. I cannot really say that doctors, they don't have knowledge about food, but I can say this, that sometimes patients, they don't understand. Like if you give them medicine, if you ask them to eat food, they will avoid that. They will just eat medicine. They will think that, oh, I'll take medicine, I'll be fine. No. You have to eat food. So if doctors do this course, maybe they will get more access, more communication skill towards patients. Apart from other videos of lectures about topics and diets and charts, there were other videos also about how to communicate with your client, how to charge them, how to clear their doubts, about and other things. Those were very helpful. As of now, I don't work. I am at home. I just had a baby boy, thank to God. Yes, I have applied whatever I have learned in my life, and I will be applying now. I just had a C-section, and I'm planning to lose some weight. I was 90 kg, now I'm 82 kg, and I'm planning to 67 maybe. So that might, and I am going to plan my diet myself, because of Optimum Wellness Academy. Thanks to them. This is something very personal which I've learned, which I'm practicing right now. I'm eating a vegetarian diet, which is rich in protein, like dal, lentils. So my skin is glowing without anything. So this is something very new which I'm exploring. Like after every class, we used to have a lot of MCQs, and and we can reattempt them. Once you give the test, you can give the test again. Whenever you want to practice, you can give the test again. That was very helpful, and MCQs were of good standard. So while solving MCQ, also you can learn a lot of things that help with the final exams. You can just practice the MCQ again and again and again. So that's all you have to do. I would definitely recommend Optimum Wellness Academy to a lot of people, friends and family, and colleagues and friends. Personally, I feel that you should have knowledge about food, just to make your life easy. These days, it's there's a lot of rush, So that if you give time to yourself, that's a good treat to yourself.